How to get promo code for VidIQ upgrade. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser, or you can move into Safari. Let's head over to Safari for now. Once you are in here, in the source bar, search for VidIQ upgrade promo code 2024. Scroll down and different sites will be visible to you. You can head over to any one of it. Let me move into this one. It will redirect you to this page. In this page, tons of different coupon codes or promo code will be available to you. Different offers will also be available. Search for a suitable offer and then click on it. You don't even have to do anything. Simply click on copy code. Once you have copied the promo code, the next thing you want to do is to head over to your VidIQ and then apply the promo code that you have just copied, and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can find the promo code for VidIQ upgrade. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.